Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Once again, before you, it has risen today. Actually, I just came here with my two brothers. Actually, they're behind the camera, that's why you can't see. I will show you later, okay? So, as you can see, guys, I'm a person who fond of village. Right now I feel amazed. I feel top of the world. So one of my little brother, I mean youngest one, he just suggested that brother, you came here after a long time. I mean, in your village, it is high time to explore something new, because as we know about you, you are a person who really into nature. As a consequence, today you can see, guys, every view, so it's really marvelous view. Right now I'm feeling like I'm walking the park, so I'm feeling, I mean over the moon. So by the way, it's not a my I mean I could say it's not my topic today. So I don't know actually what should I say. This is as usual, I'm showing the environment, the view, the serene environment. Actually you can see this is a pond. It's actually our pond, and as you can see, guys, I'm on boat, and which is one of my dreams, that I like to ride boat. I like to journey by boat. I like to explore new things by boat. So I really love this kind of moment. If you ask me that, if I will give you two options, one is that you will go, like, will you choose any artificial intelligence, I mean artificial like beauty, or on the contrary, I will give you natural things. So I would definitely choose nature, because nature assists me to refresh my mind. It's just opened his door of to think about everything. It's just give you inner peace that you will never get anywhere except this nature, when this is the creation of Almighty Creator. That's why I feel happy. I feel bouncing off the walls. So I could definitely suggest you that if you would like to, I mean, enjoy, then you can also into nature. It will help you. So I will definitely show one thing. The two brother, I mean younger brother, they are behind the camera, and actually one of them he's just riding boat, and that's why you can see everything behind me, behind every all natural beauty. So they are assisting me today. So I feel like happy. So happy, I could say. You can also come, guys. We will also explore or just visit this kind of area together. It will be happy moment for us. So not that's all for today, I think. So it will be sufficient for this video, and I hope you guys enjoying this video, because except there are plenty of video. If you explore, if you search on Facebook or YouTube, or if you're still with that in your newsfeed, you'll get ample amount video. But I could say you are watching right now exceptional video, because the view you can't see. You can't see anywhere except this kind of places that I'm helping you today to see the video. And never forget to like and comment, so that's gonna inspire me a lot, and so that I can also share this kind of video. It doesn't indicate that it's my demand to get like, just it means that you will like or not, so that I can expect to you. So guys, I want to tell you something. As you are English learner, I know that, because that's why you are watching this video. So I could say, when I started my journey, it was really rocket science to me. I couldn't find my feet, but nowadays you can see I'm talking spontaneously, because I have practiced a lot. So if you'd like to learn English, I could definitely say, just keep going, and believe yourself. Yeah, I can do it, and I can speak English. I'll be able to speak English, and I can ensure you 100%, inshallah. If you practice every day, it will be easy peasy. It will be easy as pie to eat, to speak. Right now, I'm a person who belongs village. Actually, I'm from countryside. Right now I'm kind of speak English. So I believed before. That's why I'm able to speak English. So if you have this kind of hope, if you have this kind of aspiration to fulfill your dream, I could say you should also believe yourself. It should start, actually. So that's all for now. I think it will be sufficient for today. So I hope this video will help you. And before in this video, I will show you many things so that I didn't show. So here you go, the view, and here you go, and This is our youngest one, and there you can see the rider, who has a spectacular face. He is a, I mean, Islamic. He will be Islamic leader in future. Prayer for my brother. He's really great on. So by the way, you could see the view right now. I'm showing whole view where actually we're, and this is the actual boat. Okay, so that's all for now, guys. Yeah, I think you guys enjoying with me, and that's all for now. See ya. I love this.